Apakah
Ya,
saya
kalau seperti saya juga mungkin sama. Sama juga mungkin ya di depan teman lain dengan murid ya Bu ya. Kita beda ya suasananya pasti. Soalnya kan yang dihadapi beda. Kalau misalkan murid mungkin kita leluasa sekali ibaratnya mengajak mereka berkomunikasi yang eh, seharusnya ya, maksudnya sepadan lah ibaratnya ini murid untuk kita bimbing, kita bina untuk mempelajari sesuatu. Jadi enak untuk berdiskusi, dan kalau ke teman itu ya gitu, memang agak sungkan. Saya juga mengalaminya, itu pasti nervous. Itu saja kalau dari saya. Kemudian kalau misalkan untuk tanya jawabnya itu ya, mungkin ya agak ini aja harus lebih dipancing lagi. Kita juga melihat ya fleksibel saja lah. Kalau misalkan ini ibaratnya menganggap mereka juga teman-teman kita ini juga seperti ini juga murid itu. Nah itu mungkin yang mengkondisikan gitu, yang membuat nervous gitu ya Bu Ratna ya pasti ya. Ya terima kasih, itu saja dari saya.
Come on.
Perfect performance, sir.
Apa, Bu Rika?
Yeah, I think it's a perfect performance for this year. Bravo. But maybe too fast in speaking like that to the student. Just like that.
Alright. Ada lagi?
Yes. Is smoking good for us? Before we are going to smoke, it is better to look at the fact. About 50,000 people die every year in Indonesia as direct result of smoking. This is 7 times as many as die in road accidents. Nearly a quarter of smokers die because of disease caused by smoking. 90% of lung cancer. Okay. Yes, please. I cannot find the bookstore. Where is it?
The bookstore is on the third floor, sir. It's next to the shoe store.
Oh, I see.
Someone take you there, sir?
No, I'm fine. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Okay, good. Please giving applause to our friends. Thank you, Rika, and also Yusef too, to help me to showing this the audio based on the text ya. Fine. Jadi di sini kita dapatnya 2 ya untuk respon. Yang pertama adalah yes please. Untuk respon yang kedua adalah no, I'm fine. How about the first response? It is decline or is it accepting?
Accepting, sir.
Accepting. Okay. Accepting. How about the second?
Refusing. Decline. Declining.
Decline or refusing. Ya.
Yuk, Bu Rika.
Okay, good morning, class. How are you today?
No, beritahukan dulu. I'm going to teach.
Oh yeah, okay. Okay, I'm going to teach explanation text. I'm going to teach explanation text. Before, yeah, explanation text about the natural disaster. Writing.
Okay.
Not. Yeah. Reading. I'm sorry. Reading and writing.
Oh, reading and writing. Okay.
Yes, sir. Okay. Okay, we'll start. Good morning, class. How are you today?
Morning, ma'am.
I'm fine.
I hope we are all in healthy condition, and don't forget to follow the protocol. Yeah, using your mask and never forget wash your hand every time you touch something. Okay. Okay.
Yes,
Now,
ma'am.
talking about the COVID-19, we will discuss about it, yeah, in this lesson today. And before we continue our lesson, chief of the class, Mr. Nur Rahman. Mr. Nur Rahman, could you please
Yes, ma'am.
lead your class to pray together before we start our lesson?
Okay. Before we start our study, let's pray together. Begin. Finish.
Okay. I see this class condition is not too tidy and dirty. I mean, everyone in this class should follow the regulation. I mean, the cleanness of the class, tidy one. I mean, you have to watch. Yeah, you have to watch. I mean, our healthy is very important, so you have to balance it with the clean of the class. Okay. Ratna, Tisha, and Sri Agustina, could you please sweep the floor, yeah, every morning, or anyone who take the chance and the turn, yeah, to clean the class, don't forget it. Okay? We have to,
Okay, ma'am.
yes, ma'am. Okay? All of the class, I mean, all of the member of the class should guard our healthy here. Okay? We talk about something that you have to explain, yeah? Before we enter the material, you have to explain something. If you look something, for example, like what did lately recent happen? Nanggala, the strong of Nanggala submarine, yeah, in Bali Ocean, yeah. You have to think about how it's strong, how but the process, how it happened. So you have to think it before we do the explanation. We have to see the facts. Yeah, I mean the depth of the sea, how many meters. I mean for the submarine normally. Yeah, for example like that. And the other phenomena is like social delinquency. You know delinquency? Juvenile delinquency, like the
Yes, ma'am.
students who smoke or maybe bullying, yeah, the bullying, yeah. I want you to explain, I mean, the other case of what you have to explain, the process of what you have to explain. I'm sorry, I think one by one, yeah, should explain what the social, or maybe you have to mention the natural disaster that you know, and then what is it? I mean, with your own language. Okay, starting from Suraida. Okay, Suraida, what natural disaster or social phenomenon that you know?
Natural disaster, tsunami maybe.
Okay, good. Tsunami. What is tsunami? Do you know tsunami? Do you know tsunami?
Tsunami is a big wave
Uh-huh.
occurs because of eruption of volcano mountain in the sea.
Good.
Sea volcano.
Yes.
Maybe.
Okay, that's good. Good point. Okay. Next, Mr. Suprayitno. Okay. What is the social
Yes, ma'am.
phenomenon that you know? The social phenomenon. Come on.
The social phenomenon now, I think there are many students, not only students, but many people like playing video games. Like playing mobile games.
Okay, good. Yeah, because it's common. I mean, like now, because all of you, I mean, almost all the students, I think, yeah, I'm sure that you all get the gadget, your own gadget from your parents. Okay, whether it is the modern one or the old one. It's just the point is for the telecommunication. Okay, Chandra, how about you? Oh, you look sleepy.
Yes, ma'am.
You look sleepy. Are you sleepy?
No, I can
Come on.
hear you clearly. Sorry.
Okay.
Maybe the
uh-huh.
bad signal here, ma'am.
Okay. What can you explain? I mean, what maybe one of the natural disaster or social
Maybe,
phenomenon?
maybe the flood, ma'am.
The
The flood.
flood?
Yeah,
Flood? What do you mean by flood?
flood.
Oh, flat. I'm sorry. Flat. You have
Oh,
to mention flat. Okay, flat.
Okay,
Yeah.
ma'am. Flood.
Okay, good. Very good. What is flat? What is flat? You know flat? You can mention flat. What is flat?
Hello, ma'am.
Yes. Can you explain what is flat? Anyone can help? Hmm?
I mean,
Okay.
banjir bandang, ma'am.
Banjir bandang. Okay. Anyone? Maybe Ratna can explain what is flat? Come on. Use your own language. Don't worry to make mistakes.
Flood is one of natural phenomenon ma'am.
Natural phenomenon. Okay. Because of
Heavy rain? Yeah, because
the rain. Heavy rain. Yeah. Not only the usual rain, but heavy rain. Okay. Okay,
human
Tisha.
behavior.
Okay.
The
Good.
people throw the rubbish in every place. So
Okay, good.
there's some flood.
Yeah, that's very common and that's very annoying. Okay, very annoying to see the people so easy to just throw their rubbish. Yeah, not in the proper place. Okay, okay. Now, I try to make a presentation here. Okay, I want you to watch this in the comment box. Okay, in the comment box. Can you see it? Can you? In the comment box?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Have a look in about 5 minutes and then tell me what you see, what you hear. Okay? What you see and what you hear. Can you open it up?
While processing, ma'am.
Yes.
It's about storm, hurricane.
Okay, good. Hurricane, okay. Hurricane. Is there hurricane in this area? I mean, in our country? Is there hurricane in our country? Have you ever
Yes,
seen or
ma'am.
maybe heard? Yes?
Puting Beliung, ma'am. I often see it.
Yes. Okay, the small one. How about in the video? Is it big one or small one?
Big.
Small? A big one, very big. Yeah,
About
because
hard rain.
how do you know that it's big? It's a big hurricane. How do you know that it's a big hurricane?
It's sign with the heavy
Did I
Many
rain?
trees fall down.
It's sign with the heavy rain.
Okay, heavy rain, and then can you see the tree? The tree who almost fell down. The coconut tree. Okay, good, very good. Okay.
The tree
Yusuf too? Yusuf too? What do you see and hear about the video? Yes.
Broken house.
The broken house. Okay, good. What else? What else? Come on. Come on.
Probably taken
Worry. Nur Rahman. Yes, Nur Rahman. Any comments?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. What do you think about the video?
I think video is about the flood, where can
The
make
flood or the flood? Flood, yeah.
Flood.
Okay, flood.
flood.
Flood. Okay. Okay. All what happens, I mean, both the natural disaster or the social phenomenon, they have their own process. Okay, they have their own process. For example, tsunami. Suraida have already said that tsunami happen because of the earthquake or the volcanoes, the volcano eruption. Okay, and the juvenile delinquency. Yeah, juvenile delinquency happen because maybe they have the kids or the students have the broken home. Yeah, the family is not good enough. Yeah? The situation is the surrounding is all the naughty boys. Yeah, they have a bad attitude. Yeah, around it. Okay, now I want you to learn here the explanation text. Yeah? We have discussed about the explanation text. Okay, now I need to. I'm sorry. In this case, I need somebody to help because it's stuck here. This is. Could you please help me, Mr. Can you see it? I already shared it in the group, yeah, about the Unit 4 explanation text. I'm sorry because something problem with my laptop. Okay, here at the cover, because the event is today's event is nearby the Lebaran, you know, Lebaran. So the picture here is about the bus, the full bus of people. Yeah. The bus is full of people. Yeah. We call it going homeland. Going homeland. Pulang kampung. Okay. And this one is fire. Yeah. The fire in forest. Okay. This bus full of the people is called the one of the social phenomenon, and this one, fire in the forest, is called the natural disaster. Okay. Have you ever seen directly about the natural disaster? Have you been feeling the natural disaster? I mean the flood?
Yes.
Or maybe, yes.
My village was struck by big flood.
Oh yeah. Bayat, yeah. Bayat, yeah. I heard about it because your school is nearby the river, big river.
River
Okay.
from school.
Okay, good. I mean, okay, next we have to here. Now I want you to learn about the words that is very difficult for you. For example, there's something to do with the natural disaster or the social phenomenon. Can you repeat after me? Okay? Repeat after me. Hurricane. Come on. Hurricane.
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 Hurricane. Who says hurricane? Ratna. Could you please repeat again? Ratna.
Hurricane.
Okay, good. Hurricane. Now, typhoon. Typhoon.
Typhoon.
Typhoon.
Typhoon.
Lightning.
Typhoon.
Lightning. Okay. Lightning.
Lightning.
Lightning. Okay. Victim.
Victim.
Victim. Evacuation. Evacuation. Okay, good. Evacuation.
Evacuation.
Where is your voice, Chandra?
Evacuation.
Okay, good. Oh, Rahman.
Yes, ma'am.
Good. Are you sleepy? Okay.
No, I'm here.
Okay, now. Refugee. Refugee.
Refugee.
Adjective.
Sorry, your
Adjective.
voice is not clear here.
Okay, because of the bad connection, I'm terribly sorry. Okay, I cannot do anything because I have tried two of the provider here, Indosat, both Indosat and Telkomsel. I have already capturing it. I'm terribly sorry. Okay. Okay, now next. There is a reading here, the text about tsunami here. Can you see it? Task 6. Task 6. Task 6. Read the text below quickly. And when you read, use a pencil to underline any difficult words. But do not use your dictionary first. Okay? Tsunami, about tsunami. Okay, for the first paragraph, please read it. Irma, don't keep silent. Come on, honey. Irma. Okay.
I can see the call anymore.
In the group, I'm sorry. I want to upload it, but it can't.
Expert.
Okay. Here is. Can you see it?
Yeah. Wait a second.
I tried. Sorry. Give me a try. Could you please see it in the group? I already made the PowerPoint here, there, PPT, about the explanation text. Can you see it in the group?
Yes.
The PPT, which one is have a drawing leaf. The leaf. Can you see it? Okay, that's the. There is a sample. The modeling text about the natural disaster, flood. Yeah, it's about flood. I try to.
The text is tsunami, ma'am?
Yes, the text of tsunami. Can you read it?
Yes, I'm fine.
Okay, Ratna, could you please read it at the first paragraph?
Okay. In Indonesia, we are very familiar with the word tsunami. This natural disaster has ever killed thousands of lives in Banda Aceh,
a few years ago. Indonesia mourned the world, then how the tsunami happened. Here is a brief explanation of the process of how the Asian tsunami happens.
Okay, thank you,
That is the
Ratna.
first paragraph.
Okay, thank you. Thank you very much, Ratna. That's a good reading of you because only a little mispronunciation, okay? View, not view, but view, yeah? View, okay? The upper lips and the below lips meet together, view, okay? Okay, your test will be you have to compose, yeah? For your homework, compose your own task concerning about the natural disaster or one of it, the natural disaster or the social phenomenon. Okay. For today's lesson, what have you learned about today's lesson? What is the explanation text? Can you tell me, Irma?
Natural disaster, ma'am?
Only natural disaster. Okay. Explanation text is the text that consists of the process, the process of what happened, what has happened, and what happened, and that is concerning about the natural disaster and social phenomenon. Yeah. Okay. We have 2 meetings. Yeah. From like this, we have to discuss about the explanation text because it's not enough time here. Yeah, we already spent 15 minutes here. Okay. So next meeting we have to continue our lesson that you try to compose about your own text. Yeah. Only 3 paragraphs. Yeah, only 3 paragraphs. I mean, I have given you the modeling of the text, and you have to try to make your own text, yeah, with by using any sources, okay? Using many sources, we want to discuss it in the class, yeah, and then we fix it and discuss about what the misspell or the miswriting, yeah, we discuss it later, okay? Okay, thank you. I think today is enough. Don't forget to follow the healthy protocol. Yeah. Take care of your health. Thank you. And see you next week. Okay. Good morning.
See you, ma'am.
See you, ma'am.
See you.
Good morning.
Thank you for today.
Thank you. Setelah itu rencananya ya, Bu?
Ya, Pak. Itu baru pertemuan pertama, jadi memang kita masih mengenalkan ya. Jadi masih introduce, masih modeling text begitu, masih harus pelan-pelan. Nggak usah kalau intake siswa di tempat saya memang harus begitu. Tone-nya harus a little bit slower than in the town.
Ya, oke lah, lepas dari muridnya kayak apa di sekolah. Kalau micro teaching itu ya rangkaian putarannya sampai putaran, misalnya ada exercise-nya sampai ke exercise setidaknya.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Oke.
Bahwa itu disampaikan dalam 3 minggu di sekolah, silahkan saja kalau memang keadaan itu. Tapi sebagai sebuah mini pembelajaran kan perlu disampaikan juga bagaimana the result of learning, bahkan diukur dan sebagainya, harusnya sampai ke sana. Jadi itulah sebabnya kenapa harus ada bagian assessment juga dalam RPT kita.
Yes, sir.
Komen.
Please comment. I need some revision this year. Yes,
Saya, Pak.
Clearly pronounced and clearly grammar. So congratulations, Bu Rika. I love about the way you teach about the upper lip and something like that related to the pronunciations. I love it. I never teach like that to my students. Agree.
you
I
very much.
really love your pronouncement. So it's very perfect.
Thank you very much, friends.
Pak Yusef.
Pak Yusef, please.
Secara penampilan menurut saya kalau ini makanya seringkali kita itu antara luring dan daring itu membuat seringkali penampilan guru yang bagus ketika luring jika dia mengajarkan daring kebingungan itu sebenarnya. Jadi di sini menurut saya nggak bisa melihat, saya membayangkan mungkin ibu luar biasa bagusnya ketika mengajar luring tatap muka, saya nggak bisa membayangkan. Yang kedua begini Bu, jangan sampai kita itu transfer pengetahuan kita menggunakan Google, YouTube, lain sebagainya kalau bisa.
Yes.
Yang dari YouTube itu kita download begitu Bu, kita modifikasi, kita simpan di Google Drive. Jadi akhirnya siswa tetap ada posisi guru itu menjadi kebutuhan juga. Jadi bukan medianya. Tapi tadi, kenapa saya begitu? Saya coba misalnya tidak ada jaringan, saya buka di bagian awal itu bukan hurricane, tetapi orang tembak menembak karena ada jika berapa puluh detik iklan. Jika jaringan ini setiap jaringan bagian tersebut itu akan berpikir, oh kayaknya video game. Conception. Beberapa ketika kita langsung link ke YouTube misalnya hal begitu, sebenarnya lebih ke teknis. Yang selanjutnya mungkin bisa saran Pak Ari, Bu, kenapa kita, mungkin pertanyaan saya takutnya yang salah, setiap kita melakukan kegiatan harus selalu berdoa begitu. Apakah tidak cukup di awal pertemuan saja dan di akhir? Bayangkan kalau satu kali pertemuan 4 kali kita berdoa, boleh mungkin asumsinya adalah bagi saya tidak terlalu esensial gitu. Asumsi berdoa, ada 5 pelajaran, doa lagi, tutup lagi, doa tadi. 6-12 kali berdoa begitu. Hal-hal begini dan selalu ada di RTP. Apakah mungkin jadi pemikiran bersama di bagian tertentu kalau mencek daftar hadiah doa, bukan kita bicara kita tidak religius atau apa. Begitu, tapi saya nggak tahu kenapa itu bisa ya di akhir yang mengajar yang tengah-tengahnya susah. Apalagi misal nanti kalau literasi harus karakter, nyanyi lagi semua, habis waktunya. Ada 5 pelajaran, 1 hari 5 kali nyanyi, 10 kali doa, begitu kan? Yang mau diajarkan lebih ke apa gitu. Sebenarnya kalau dibagi, terutama kalau kita aplikasikan ke daring itu, apa yang diajarkan tidak akan.
Yes.
Pertama betul ibu siswa dan sebagainya bagus di luring. Ketika di daring hilang, jadi nggak bisa menilai gitu. Itu saja sih Bu. Di luring saya rasa bagus dulu luar biasa, tapi di daring ya itu kita nggak bisa nilai daringnya itu. Mungkin itu komennya. Selamat.
Thank you very much.
Oke. Ada lagi?
Sedikit Pak, mungkin saya mau menanggapi yang punya Pak Yusef tuh. Kenapa kita harus berdoa dalam setiap kegiatan? Karena Pancasila kita, sila pertama itu menyatakan seperti itu. Jadi kita ini punya Tuhan seperti itu. Jadi paling tidak kita mengajarkan anak bahwa kita harus selalu ingat kapanpun, dimanapun, dan waktu ngapain pun. Jadi sebelum melakukan sesuatu, kita paling nggak ingetin dulu. Oh ternyata kita ini punya Tuhan seperti itu. Jadi agak sedikit berbeda antara Indonesia dengan mungkin negara-negara Barat yang tidak mengenal Tuhan. Saya rasa itu membedakan. Kalau mungkin di negara Barat kita tidak perlu berdoa karena mereka ada ateis gitu. Tapi kalau di Indonesia kita tidak boleh, kita harus ada Tuhan. Jadi kita ajarkan kepada anak bahwa apa yang kita lakukan, apa yang kita perbuat selalu ada hubungannya dengan Yang Maha Kuasa. Karena di dalam Pancasila sila pertama ketuhanan Yang Maha Esa itu menyatakan seperti itu, bahwa setiap pemeluk di Indonesia harus mempunyai agama dan yang namanya agama itu pasti ada Tuhan. Saya rasa kenapa kita harus mengajarkan siswa bahwa setiap pertemuan mulai kapanpun, setiap kita mau mulai kapanpun, bahkan kita mengakhiri sesuatu pun kita harus tetap mengajarkan mereka bahwa mereka punya Tuhan. Seperti itu, Pak. Mungkin loh ya. Itu cuma menurut pendapat saya aja.
Yeah, I agree with you.